Hey there, it's Krista again with WTI, and I am telling you that if you're looking for an office chair that is comfortable, stylish, and full of functionality, you don't need to look any further. You're going to get all of that plus more with this Okeysen Armless Criss-cross office chair.
I was so pleasantly surprised at how comfortable this chair is. The double-layer cushions on both the seat and back are soft and yet supportive. The PU leather feels super smooth to the touch and is very soft on my legs throughout the day. As a plus-size woman, having a wide seat option has been a total game changer. I can easily switch positions throughout my workday to maximize my comfort while seated. And with this chair's sturdy base, I feel totally supported and safe. And check this out. The chair glides smoothly, swivels all the way around, and the height is adjustable. As you can see, it's also armless, so it fits right under my desk and saves space. This is so ideal for my compact home office setup. Oh, and if you're not handy, no worries. It took us under 10 minutes to assemble the chair, thanks to the included tools and simple instructions.
So don't delay. Go out and grab yourself a Okeysen Armless Criss-cross office chair for maximum comfort while you work. I love mine, and I think it's a fabulous choice for you. And that's my point of view.